Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a all digital 5 off of 25 deal. So I'm in tight quarters as you guys can see, so we are about to move pretty quickly. The first item that I want to grab today in our scenario is a 2-pack of Bounty paper towels. And I know not all Dollar Generals carry the 2-pack of Bounty paper towels, so if your store does not, I will show you what you can do instead in just a sec. But I'm going to grab one of the 2 packs of Bounty paper towels. We do not have any digital coupons on these, but it's going to work out for us because these are actually on sale 2 for $7. So even though they're marked $4, they're actually $3.50. So we're going to grab one of these as our first items, and we're going to get the 2 equals 3 rolls. So the next item I'm grabbing is a 6-pack of the Charmin. So this is actually what's on sale 2 for $7 with the Bounty. So I'm grabbing one of these because we do have a $1 off 1 digital coupon on this. So we're going to get one of the Bounty and then one of the Charmin. They are going to be $3.50 each because they are 2 for $7. And then we will just be using the $1 off 1 digital coupon on the Charmin. Now, if you don't have the Bounty in your location, just grab 2 of the Charmin. It'll work out just the same. So now we're going to grab some All and some Snuggle. So you can get 2 Snuggle products or 2 All products, whichever you prefer, but I'm going to get one of each. So these are actually on sale for $3.95 this week, and we have a $4 off 2 digital coupon. So I'm going to get one of the 4-in-1 packs at $3.95 and then one of the Snuggle liquids at $3.95 as well. Next up, I'm going to grab one of the Gain Flings. So these are $3.95. You can also grab one of the Gain Liquids. I am not going to grab the Gain Liquid today because they do not have any of the original scent of Gain Liquid, and I only want to do the original scent. So I'm going to grab one of these because I want to make sure it attaches to the digital coupon, and this is attaching on the app. It's $3.95, and we're going to use our $1 off 1 digital coupon. I need a $1 filler item, so I am going to grab one of these Glad cling wraps that is in the $1 aisle, and I will be using the 75% off digital coupon. You can also get the Lysol wipes that are in this aisle as well, or the toilet bowl cleaners that are in the $1 aisle, and use that 50-cent Lysol coupon if you prefer. I'm going to grab one of these 60-foot cling wraps, and I'm going to use our 75% off digital coupon. To get our total over $25, we're going to grab some razors next. So I'm going to get one of the Big Comfort 3 that is $3.25 on sale this week. I'll be using the $3 off digital coupon. And then I'm going to get one of the Big Sensitive razors that are $2.85. And we also have a $3 off digital coupon. That will actually make this item free plus 15 cents in overage. Okay, so let's do a quick review of our transaction as we always do. This is everything that we are going to grab today in our 5 off of 25 deal. So we have the Charmin and the Bounty that are 2 for $7. We are just going to be using a $1 off digital coupon on the Charmin. We have the Snuggle and the All that are on sale for $3.95 each. We will be using the $4 off 2 digital coupon on both of those. We have the Glad cling wrap. You can grab whatever $1 filler item you would like to. I'm grabbing that as my filler item. It is $1, and we're going to use our 75% off digital coupon. We have the Gain Flings. You can also get the Gain Original Liquid if you prefer. They are $3.95, and we are going to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. So to get our total over $25, we also have 2 of the big razors. The Sensitive is $2.85. The Comfort is $3.25. We will be using $3 off digital coupons on both of those. So after all of our things are added up, our total should be $25.95. That will be enough to throw us over to use our 5 off of 25 digital store coupon. So we're going to use all of those digitals we just reviewed plus that 5 off of 25. Let's go check out and see how everything works out. So my total before I enter my phone number in at the register is $25.95. So now I'm going to enter in my phone number at the keypad, and then we will see what my new total is after my digital coupons are applied. My digital coupons are applying, and our final price to pay is only $8.20 plus tax. All right, you guys, so let's do a quick review of our transaction. That worked out perfectly. So there is our bounty. The store discounts that are coming off, one is the 5 off of 25, and the other one is the 2 for 7 sale pricing. The all, they did ring up for $3.95. The Bic razors, those ring up correctly at $3.25 and $2.85. Both of those $3 digital coupons came off. The Glad cling wrap, that was $1. The 75-cent off digital came off, and then the Charmin, that was $3.95, but we have 2 store discounts. One is making it $3.50, and the other one is our 5 off of 25. And then there is our Snuggle. Our all digital coupon also came off there. There's the $4 off. So after all of those digitals and our 5 off of 25 were applied, our total was $8.20 for all 8 items. We had a total savings of $18.70. I think that's a pretty good deal. $8, y'all, for all of those items, considering that we got 2 laundry detergents, we got some paper towels, we got tissue paper, and we got fabric softener for $8. I think that is a slamming deal to be all digital. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, y'all know I thank you so much for watching. I will be back to posting my Dollar General scenarios on Friday moving forward, but with the holidays, I've been a little bit thrown off, but I thank y'all for hanging with me today. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and as always, you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.